So let's give a look to the fairy lights. What we get in this box, we get 2 for 1. So we get 1 fairy lights. This requires total of 3 AA batteries. This is waterproof, and we get the second one. Both includes a remote control and the instructions. I was explaining to you how easy it is to control this light. They are pretty cool. Let's go this way so we can see. We have different combinations. We're right over there. I like this one, the flash. And so we can see we can change different ways. Good for Christmas time to decorate trees, all kind of things. This is waterproof, by the way. And then we can control it with the remote control. We have different settings. If we press, look this way. Let's put the both together this way. If we push 1, right there. 1, see, change. And it has 2 remote controls in case you want it in a different location. Pretty simple. You can dim the lights too. Let's go and let's dim. And we can see we start dimming now. So let's put it all the way. The light there, and you can turn it off and on for the remote control. Now to hit the timer has 2 cycles, 6 hours. So when I hit, that's it blinks 1, it will stay on for the next 6 hours. It will go off for 6 hours, and it will turn on back again, and then it's 6 hours later. So 6 hours on, 6 hours off, 6 hours later. If you want this thing to change, we're gonna be pressing any key, and that's it. Now it's erase the timer, and you can shut it off. Pretty cool for you Christmas time or any decoration. I mean, all year round you can use it for the cool decorations.